You see me, you see what it is. Hey family, so I feel like it's been a while since I kind of came on here and made a video, but today is Wednesday, December 4th. So me and Milan have a photo shoot this upcoming Sunday for the holidays. So I'm trying to start getting myself prepared now for Sunday, because y'all know with having her, I gotta do things sporadically, like when I have the chance to do them. So I still need to do my hair and everything like that. So I'm gonna start that today. It's Wednesday. Who knows? By the time I finish my hair, it'll probably be Saturday night. So I'm gonna start today just to be on the safe side. I'm about to wash my hair. I just put her down for a nap, so we're gonna get into this. So I just finished detangling my hair. I'm out here looking like Felicia. Bye, Felicia.
Bye, Felicia.
So we got the twist in with the conditioner, so I'm just gonna let this sit in my hair probably until tonight when I take a shower, and then I'll rinse it off then. I don't know, we'll see. But yeah, I just detangled my hair. Milan is still sleeping, thank God. She slept through the whole process of me washing my hair, detangling it. So I'm about to wake her up, because you know we don't want her to nap too long, so I'm gonna wake her up. I think we're gonna have to run out to the store later to get some more stuff for the shoot on Sunday. So yeah. All right, so right now I'm in the process of pressing my hair out because we have pictures tomorrow. Why is it the camera? There we go. We have our pictures tomorrow, so I'm in the process of pressing my hair out. Girl. So I'll be back once I'm done.
Jingle bells, jingle all the way.
Okay, so I finished straightening my hair. I didn't get to record the rest. There was a lot going on. So now I'm just wrapping my hair up so I can tie it down, and you know, it'll still be ready for tomorrow. Y'all know how that go. We don't go to sleep with our hair just on our pillows, especially when the hair is pressed out.
Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh, dashing through the snow on a one-horse open sleigh.
All right, and I'm gonna put my bonnet on top of this because I sleep like a wild girl. In the morning, they both might be off, the do-rag and a bonnet. But good night, see you guys tomorrow. Good morning. We're here straight off the wake up, right? We just woke up, so we're about to start getting ready to go to church, and then we gotta take our pictures after service, right? Yeah. All right, let's get ready.
Over fields we go, laughing all the way. Just hear those sleigh bells jingling, ring, ting, tingling too. Come on, it's lovely.
And this is a hydrating primer, which I need because my skin be dry.
Weather for a sleigh ride together with.
It smells like those coconut ice pops that we be eating. What? This primer.
We're walking in the air. Yeah. We're floating in the moon.
Alright, so I did my eyebrows off camera, and I'm gonna mix these two foundations. The lighting in here is terrible. Okay, foundation on. Check. Eyebrows check. Check, 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 check. What else I gotta do? Oh, my concealer.
Moonlight sky. The people far below are sleeping as we fly.
I am not a professional makeup artist. I just do what I please. And it don't be looking bad when I'm done, so.
No, Feliz Navidad, yeah. Feliz Navidad, Feliz Navidad.
So I'm gonna let that sit for a couple seconds. Makeup's finally done. Take my hair down right quick. Hopefully everything laid down okay last night while I was asleep.
Prospero año y felicidad. Feliz Navidad.
It's alright though. It's alright though. Yes. Okay, you see me, you see what it is. Okay. All right. What's the matter? All right, come on.
What came to mind for me is I really feel blessed sometimes. I really feel that I am receiving favor from God, amen? I never, ever feel like whatever situation I'm going through that I am without the favor of God. And I'm going to tell you, it's because of the teaching. Knowing and keeping in mind all the time the value of your tithe keeps you in the right frame of mind, amen?
One said this is contentment season. Come on, the word of the Lord was content. Either you're going to like this or you're not. You got to be content with this. Come on, y'all. Glory to God. You know, if we don't have the latest, we don't feel the greatest. Come on. See, back in the day, and I'm not that old, but I was raised around old folk. And back in the day, they used stuff until it was broke. And when it broke, they sent it to the shop to get fixed. Now we don't wait till done break. We upgrade it. We trade it in. Ain't nothing wrong with your iPhone 1. What you doing with a 10? Come on. God says, I want to get you to the place where you can give me praise in spite of what you don't have. Come on, I'm coming down there to talk to you this morning. Is there anybody in here that got something that's nudging you in your spirit and you don't have it? And God sent you here today to say, thank me for what you do have. And when you thank me for what you do have, it'll qualify you for what you don't have. I got to change my attitude. I got to start thanking God for what I have right now. And I got to be content with what I have right now. And I'm going to show you what contentment really means. And so they were in the garden, and here comes Satan. And Satan says, what did the Lord tell you about that tree? You can go after it. And some of us are putting all of our energies and we're stressing ourselves out with something we don't have. And can I tell you something? Because I'm going to show you in a minute that when you get that, you're going to need something else. And then when you get something else, you're going to need something else. Could it be that's why you broke now, because you're discontent? Please come back next week, please. Could it be that's why your credit score jacked up? Because you discontent, and so you buying stuff to feel something in your life, and you going on vacations, or you doing all this come on, to fuel discontentment. Come on. Look at your neighbor. Say, neighbor, I better slow down. I get thirsty when I do that. Somebody say, amen. Look at your neighbor. Say, neighbor, take the focus off of what you don't have and put it on what you do have. You have a child, but I ain't married. I have a car, but it don't come with sunroof. I got it.
All right, so we're getting ready to take our pictures.
Feliz Navidad, Feliz Navidad, prospero año y felicidad. Yeah. Last Christmas I gave you my heart, but the very next day you gave it away. This year, to save me from tears, I'll give it to someone special.
Look at her bouncing around. You started recording? All right, so we did an outfit change. So now we're gonna take pictures in our unicorn PJs, right? Yeah. Don't get my feet. Stop. Get her. Happy feet. So we're changing the background now so that we can get our next pictures, right? Say we see you in a bit. Go like this. Say deuces. She's so hyped.
Mommy kissing Santa Claus underneath the mistletoe last night. Merry Christmas, everyone.